So welcome to my development blog, part 1. Let me show you the state of LeveeLogic.com. If you log in, you get to see the map, and this will show all your assets. And for now, you can zoom in on a part of the Levee that you're interested in. Click on the Browse CPT button, and this will download all the available CPT data within the contents of your map, within the boundary of your map. So it may take a while because it's going to download all the stuff from internet, but then you will have all the CPTs locally available. Just another second or so, and there they are. As you can see, I can click on those, use the Robertson button to interpret them like this, change stuff if I want. And this is a nice start of an interactive map, but you can be sure there's more to come.